The sun is not quiet. With constant activities, coronal mass ejections, solar flares, and radiation exploding out into the open space, the star in our solar system remains one of the most intriguing objects that hold the planets together. India is on the cusp of unraveling its secrets. Aditya L1, the first space-based Indian observatory to study the sun, is getting ready for its launch soon, ISRO said on Monday. The Aditya L1 mission will be launched aboard the PSLV C-57 mission to study the sun. While the Indian Space Agency has not yet announced the launch date, it could be sent to space in September. So, what is the Aditya L1 mission? Aditya L1 is India's first space-based mission dedicated to studying the sun. The spacecraft will be positioned in a halo orbit around the Lagrange point 1, that is L1, of the Sun-Earth system, approximately 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. This unique position allows the satellite to continuously observe the sun without any interruptions, such as eclipses. As per the ISRO, the mission will be launched by PSLV rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The spacecraft will initially be placed in a low Earth orbit. Further, as the orbit is made more elliptical, the spacecraft will then be launched towards the L1 point by using an onboard propulsion. The ISRO said as the spacecraft moves towards L1, it will exit the Earth's gravitational sphere of influence, after which the cruise phase will begin. The spacecraft will then be injected into a huge halo orbit around L1. The total time of travel from the launch to the L1 point would take around 4 months for Aditya L1. According to the ISRO, a satellite which will be placed around the L1 will have a significant advantage of continuously having the sun's view without being obstructed by any occultation or eclipses. The mission will also provide another advantage of observing solar activities and witnessing their impact on space weather in real time. So, what are the primary objectives of the Aditya L1 mission? The main scientific goal of the Aditya L1 mission include studying the dynamics of the sun's upper atmosphere, including the chromosphere and corona, investigating chromospheric and coronal heating, the physics of partially ionized plasma, and the initiation of coronal mass ejections and flares. The spacecraft will also observe in situ particle and plasma environments to gather data on particle dynamics originating from the sun, while also exploring the physics of the solar corona and its heating mechanisms. The Indian mission will diagnose the plasma of the coronal loops in terms of temperature, velocity, and density, explore the development, dynamics, and origins of coronal mass ejections, and identify processes across various solar layers that lead to solar eruptive events. ISRO will also study the magnetic field topology and measurements in the solar corona and investigate the drivers for space weather, including the origin, composition, and dynamics of the solar wind. As per ISRO, the instruments of Aditya L1 are tuned to observe the solar atmosphere, mainly the chromosphere and corona. In situ instruments will observe the local environment at L1. There are a total of 7 payloads on board, with 4 of them carrying out remote sensing of the sun and 3 of them carrying in situ observation. The Aditya L1 mission is a complex and challenging task, but it has the potential to provide valuable insights into the sun and its impact on Earth.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.